Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix voice assistant not responding Google. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, as I'm using an iPhone, but I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is check your internet connection. If you're connected to weaker Wi-Fi connection, that might be also the reason why your voice assistant is not responding as well. Now all you gotta do is simply select or connect to a stronger Wi-Fi connection, or simply turn on your mobile data. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then tap on the option that says Google. And now once you tap on Google, here what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on settings for Google apps, and then once you are there, tap on Google Assistant and then scroll down, tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now once you are there, what you need to do is simply tap on Voice Model and then tap on Delete Voice Model, then tap on OK. Now go back and then toggle on the Hey Google option, and once you toggle on Hey Google option, all you gotta do is simply follow the on-screen instructions, and then once you do that, you'll be successfully able to fix your issue. That's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.